Hey there guys, so for the third quarter of 2023, I made $1,087 and here are the details. Hey there guys, today we're going to take a look at how much money I made in dividends and in options premiums for the third quarter of 2023. Remember guys, the third quarter entails July, August, and September. One hint, this was not the most profitable quarter, but it was not the worst quarter either. Let's see the details now. I am not a financial advisor. Please make sure to consult an appropriate advisor and do your own research before making any investing decisions. Now, in this chart here in dividends paid, we see that for the third quarter, I made $431 in dividends alone, guys. Now, in here we can see covered calls. I made $424 in covered calls, and we made $242 in cash secured puts for the third quarter. All together give us a profit of $1,087, guys. Now let's see the details. In this chart here, we see the details of how I made $1,087, guys. Now let's begin. Bank of America, guys. Now, Bank of America, guys. In Bank of America, we received quarterly dividends of $28.16, but in option premiums, I was able to make more than the dividend. I made $39.36, guys. Now let's move on, guys. It's Carnival Cruise Line. In Carnival Cruise Line, guys, I made $125 in options premiums alone. ChargePoint, guys. In ChargePoint, when I actually lost $6, not a big deal, but who likes losses, guys? Let's move on, guys. Moving on to Ford. As in Ford, we got paid $35.58 in dividends in the orange bar, and we were able to make almost equivalent in options premium, guys. $35.34 in option premiums. All right, guys, move on to Google, guys. In Google, I purchased 5 stocks, guys, 5 stocks of Google at an average price of $123.01. Moving on, guys, let's move on to JEPI, guys, our lovely monthly dividend payer, guys. In this stock alone for the past 3 months for the last quarter, we got paid $107.64 in dividends, guys. Now, guys, moving on, let's go to Coca-Cola, guys. In Coca-Cola, we received the quarterly dividends in Coca-Cola of $46.66, guys. But also in options premium, guys, we made $22 in option premiums for a total of $69. All right, guys, moving on to Main Street Capital, another lovely monthly payer, guys. In Main Street Capital, we received $102 in dividends alone, guys. Moving on to Altria Group, this is a new position that I started in September. Now, and so far, guys, we'll have 120 shares of this. Now, in this particular instance, I make $127 in options premium alone. But remember, guys, this is how I buy the stocks. I opened a position on July 24th, 20 shares at an average price of $45.62. However, how I like to buy stocks is by buying cash secure puts and then get assigned, guys. So in those cash secure puts, guys, I was able to get $127 in premium before I even got assigned the shares at an average price of $44.45. And if we factor in how much we receive per share, my cost basis is $43 and some change, guys. Moving on to Microsoft, guys. Let's go to in Microsoft, guys. We receive some crumbs, not that much money, $3.40 in dividends, guys. However, positions in Microsoft on July 25th, I purchased 5 new shares of Microsoft at an average price of $351. Received the dividends of $3.40, reinvested those dividends. And on September 28th, I purchased 5 more stocks of Microsoft at a price of $313 per share, guys. Now, moving on, guys, go to Palentir. Now, in Palentir, guys, we made $38.39 in options premium, guys. All of those came from cash secure puts. Guys, moving on to Plug Power. Plug Power, we made $49.68, guys. This came from some cash secure puts and some covered calls, guys. Total almost $50. Let's move over to Rumble, guys. Rumble is one of the new positions that I started. $46 in total. 2 cash secure puts, and I got assigned on both cash secure puts. Once again, I like to purchase stocks by buying cash secure puts. So when I do get assigned, I purchase a share at a lower price than what I intended to buy it. So currently 200 shares at an average price of $6.90, I believe. Moving on, guys, to Charles Schwab. Charles Schwab, we made dividends of only $5, guys. Still some amount. I only have 20 shares of Charles Schwab. Something is something. Moving on, guys, let's go to At&t, guys. Now, in At&t, guys, lost $5 in options premiums. However, we made $57.19 in dividends alone, guys. Reinvested all of those dividends, and for a total profit for the quarter of $52, guys. Let's go to Warner Bros. Discovery, guys. Warner Bros. Discovery is one of the stocks that I do sell a lot of cash secured puts just for some quick change. And we made $9.33 in options premiums, guys. Now, XLK, guy. XLK is the technology sector ETF. Options, okay, we made $174 in option premiums, and we received $36 in dividends, giving us a total of $210, guys. Moving on, guys, to XLRE. This is the real estate ETF. Now, in this position, I received dividends of $8.93, guys, totaling $9. This brings the total for quarter 3 of $1,087. Out of that, $431 came from dividends and $656 came from option premium, guys. As you can see here in this graph, my best months were August and September as the most profitable. July, not so much. Now, here are all the details, guys, of all the transactions and pretty much all options premiums that I received. I do go in detail of all of these transactions in the monthly updates, guys. I will link all 3 videos of the monthly updates down here in the description below, or the cards up here. This brings us, guys, for a total for the first quarter, second quarter, and third quarter of 2023 for a grand total of $3,312. And as you can see here, guys, my most profitable quarter so far is January, February, March, quarter 1 of 2023, where the highest month has been March, and in that month alone I made $719. Now, for the other 3 months to follow, quarter 2 of 2023, it was very, very low. It was very volatile. The AI boom was taking place, and I did not want it to miss any upside in stock appreciation. Now, my question to you guys is, how much do you guys generated so far in 2023 in dividends? And if you're also selling and getting some more cash flow through option premium, guys, below, guys, let me know how much did you make in dividends and in option premium, guys. How much cash flow are you collecting, guys? So now, thanks for watching, guys. All right, once again, guys, my name is Noguera, and in this channel I talk about stocks, real estate, finance, and the economy, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content, guys. It means a lot, guys. And bye-bye.